Hello, hello, Mamuka Chere Muriwadi, Humadu, Halinjani, Madekwana, Abudi, Machironi, every language, Jambo Sana. Ooh, and you know, it's just a good day in Sweden. And a lot of people had asked me this question. Tatelicious, you're dressing these days. What's happening? You know, my ladies, especially ladies who write to me very concerned. Sometimes when you sit down and replace the order of the chessboard, things change. Those days, you know, I was the single Tatelicious, dancing, doing everything liberal. But you know, when you are in a relationship with someone, you have to calm down. You have to come down to earth. And you have to respect them because they also have, you know, a reputation to maintain. That's why you see me these days, I'm all mukadzwanasi, mukadzwanamkla, just dressing in a more classic, you know, not body revealing, because something is happening. So this is a lesson which must be learned by all of us. When something new comes in your life, you don't have to play by the old rules. Come and bring in new rules to the game so that you, both players, will win. So that's the reason I was so excited with the messages from everyone who was writing, oh, Tatelicious, we love your dressing these days. Oh, Tatelicious, you dress like a real classic woman. And I said, that's how the cookie crumbles. And you must also know that when these things like new relationships comes on board, not everyone who's saying congratulations likes it. So be very careful, ladies out there, to say, oh, if everyone's saying congratulations, no, I'm going to come to your house and you meet my fiancé. For what? What if you come to their house and they steal your fiancé from you? A lot of people are single and searching, baby. So guard your own territory. Guard it with all you've got. It's your girl Tatelicious, and I just want to say, have a great weekend. And don't give up in love. And if love comes, make sure you change the game and you play according to new rules. Goodbye.